nepikám.
Just a couple of. But we just have 2 chickens or there's more?
Me estoy haciendo caca.
Haciendo caca. Elizabeth.
¿Cómo? ¿Qué?
Okay.
So yeah. So chicken is done. And onion is done. Chilies are here.
Oh, that's spicy.
No, not spicy, just spices.
Ah, okay.
And now you cook the chicken in the sauce with the yogurt in the pan and let it brown for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you add the chicken breast pieces. And over here,
Elizabeth is here.
we have our half-cooked rice steaming.
While chicken is in the process, let's see what Fiorella is doing. Here we go. Oh. And someone is playing PlayStation. Biryani. Actually, she learned from me.
Bitch, this is my original recipe.
Well, so how you like the biryani?
I love it.
Try 1 spoon.
Wait. It's heaven.
Play game.
I'm dreaming.
Drinking wine. And biryani by Elizabeth.
Hey! Want some yogurt?
No, sorry.
No.
Flora thinks she is in heaven. She likes so much.